It's the same?
No.
Huh?
Do land my better in ya.
Aww. The way she's washing.
You know, when you come to the village, this is how it's always being done.
The women wash
Women,
utensils.
they cook
And
they wash the utensils.
yeah. Whether you're from America or from Kenya.
I know
But
some
for the
women
men, we sit and watch.
We sit and watch. So guys, I am with Sylvia and Koree Bichanga in our village in Kogelo. I hope you guys subscribe. So we are just chatting under the tree. Here it's very green and we keep chicken, we have cattle and stuff like that. So guys, I've also done 2 videos. The videos involve the experience and journey from Kisumu city to my village. I just wanted to show Koree Bichanga and Sylvia Bichanga around my village. So in the videos we visited the River Yala, the infamous River Yala. I showed them my grandma's place where she lives, the house I'm building for my mom as a YouTuber in the village, and we also had an amazing lunch which we all enjoyed, and I showed them a lot around my village, and I'll put the link of the 2 videos in the description below. You can go and watch them if you have not watched them. You have not watched the 2 videos. And also guys, after this meal and everything, we decided to wash utensils while making amazing and funny stories. So stick around, you are going to watch that. You'll laugh along the way, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. But before we dive into that video while washing utensils and the rest, I'm actually happy guys to actually announce that I got my first channel member, and I am so glad that the woman decided to believe in me and to become my channel member. It's a great step for me, and I know I'll get more. And I'd like to announce this guys. So this is my grandma's house, as you can see it, and she's 90 years old, and also she can't see well past 6 p.m. And as much as I would like to change this house for her or build her an amazing new one, I'm still building the one for my mom, and it's not complete yet. I've been doing it slowly and slowly as much as I can afford. And even in December, we still have this project of building my mom the outside toilet and bathroom, because the inside one is not even complete, and when people visit us, at least they can use that one. And I would like to say this, that for those who join my channel membership, I'll use most of that funds to actually build my grandma a concrete floor, because sweeping in the dirt and the dust is not good for her since she's old. So I'll use that to build her a concrete floor, and also get her a new solar panel, because the ones we are using is very small and it's old. So when there's no sun like today, she doesn't get enough light from it, and she also needs to charge her radio. So I will use most of the funds from the channel membership to make sure that I get a new bigger solar panel, and I also make sure I get a new floor. And when my mom's house is complete, or when I can afford it, I'll try to see what I can do for my grandma, because I love her so much. As much as I love my mom, I also love my grandma so much, and I've lived with her. There was a time it was just the 2 of us in this place.
So this is from my husband's last haircut. Like your hair. You see?
It came from the hair.
But guys, it's a still wool.
Yeah, it's a still. We use that to wash utensils here.
You want to help?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not that I want to help. I'm forced to help for YouTube content.
Guys.
Cut.
No, why you should like us?
I'm kidding. Of course I want to help.
Yeah.
When in Rome, you do like the Romans.
Like the Romans do. No, this girl is the Roman.
I'm the Roman.
Yeah. So guys, this is my sister. This is my cousin. This is my aunt. And the other one is Sylvia.
That one?
Yeah, that one is Sylvia. The one. And these are our chicken. Yeah, our chicken.
Maybe we can share. Oh, it can be divided.
Kidogo. Kidogo. Anda kusaidia kuosha vyombo.
Now this is the real fun times here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Washing utensils in the village.
Exactly. You can never do this back at my home. Sorry.
It's so cold.
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Ademona usemi. Unataka kutuchomea Sylvia?
Maybe we pour some cold water.
Not that much so that it will be.
So the ladies are washing and we are just watching. Unbalanced society.
You know, when you come to the village, this is how it's always being done.
The women wash
Women,
utensils.
they cook
Uh,
and they wash the utensils.
uh,
Yeah.
whether you are from America or from Kenya.
I know
But
some
for the
women
men,
will be.
they sit and watch.
We sit and watch. Oh, the way she's washing. Sylvia,
Yes.
do you always wash utensils like this, or you use the sink?
I use the sink.
Or you use the dishwasher?
No.
No,
I'm a bit kienyeji mzungu, so.
you're about kienyeji. Dhiambo, unasugua sufuria kusugua, eh? So guys, this is the village, my village, and we are here with Koree. Yeah, so my dads are just wondering. I've come with the visitors, and now they are the ones washing utensils. Eh, ndana kazi.
Where do the ones that I wash, where do they go?
So Koree, tell me, how do you feel our village?
If I compare it with Kisi,
There's no comparison.
It's the same.
No. Luo land mabera inya.
You learn Mabera in no comment.
no comment. Yeah, you know, last time I was with her, I took her to Kisi, and yeah, she really felt so tired because of the up and
The hills.
yeah, the hills and the valleys. Yeah.
Yeah, Kisi has a lot of hills and valleys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Has she ever come to Kisi?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but the thing I like about Luos and Luo land
Ah.
is that you can go to anyone's house to eat that you don't know. As for Kisi,
You can feel safe.
we'll just leave that.
If the visitor voluntarily takes the djembe on the first day. Yeah.
Okay, but
That
I'm
shows,
having fun.
that shows how hardworking the visitor is.
Okay.
So I used to visit my grandma's village. It's not so much far from here. So the first day, they'll let me sleep while others wake up early to go to the shamba. The next day,
Day two? What happened on the second day?
they still let me, but they went while talking. I could just hear them. Talking. This boy is just sleeping and we are going to the shamba. Day 3. Wake up. We are going to the shamba and you can't remain at home. You are eating, you are just sleeping. So I had to take the djembe and I have to go. You know, there even here, we have like farms where we go and farm. But for, what do you call it? Subsistence farming. Where we just farm to eat, not to sell. So every season if you don't farm, there'll be less food. So everyone has to leave the shamba. It's always in the morning before the sun is too hot. You know, from this side the sun can be really hot in the afternoon. So people go early. And that time is the time where the sleep is always the sweetest. So they force you to wake up, you take the djembe, you walk all the way to the other side, then you farm and stuff like that. And you come back very hungry and tired.
What?
Yeah,
So in short, when you go home, you stay approximately 2 days.
but that
then
was
you leave.
not here. Here I rarely do that. But the other, my mom's village, it's in, I don't know, Ulaf or something.
Or something, I'm not sure.
So then you have to go and farm. But for them, they produce more food than us. Yeah, with their shambas, because the way they farm, it's like a lot more professional. I don't know.
And they have like a bigger
Farm.
farm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kitamba. It needs to be tied well. You guys are not village ladies. Original one. This one. You can tie this for me.
Yes.
She's the one who is only the one who knows.
It keeps on falling down while I'm washing.
And this one is not. This one, in fact, this one is not a village lady.
Original one.
That's how it's done. Now you look like a villager. Tomorrow, jembe, shamba. We'll just give you a lift to the shamba.